Good morning, students. I am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 14, that is lines and angles. Today my topic is complementary angles and supplementary angles. So let's learn about complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay? So let's start our learning process today. Two angles whose sum measures 90 are called complementary angles when the sum of the two angles is equal to 90. The angles are called complementary angles. Okay. Suppose here 30 angle is there and one more angle is of 60 magnitude. Now, okay, here when we place angle ABC, which angle? ABC, ABC and PQR. When placing angle ABC and angle PQR together so that the ray BA and QR, this angle was of how much measure? Total 90. Total 90. And when we will put these two angles, adjust these two angles here, this angle 60, then this 30 angle when placed along this right angle, then the ray BA and QR will overlap and angle CQP will become, when after adjusting both of these two angles here at right angle, then the ray BA and QR will overlap and angle CQP will become 90. Okay, is equal to 90 is formed. So when two angles whose sum measure 90 are called complementary angles. जब भी किन्हीं दो एंगल्स का टोटल 90 के इक्वल आता है तो वो दोनों एंगल क्या कहलाएंगे? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. अगर आपको दिया हो कि 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा, 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल क्या होगा, तो 20 you will subtract 20 from, so you write complement, complement of 20 will be is equal to 90 minus 20 is equal to 70. So complement of 20 angle will be 70. Then the sum of total of both 20 and 70 will be is equal to 90. When complement of an angle is asked to you, then you will subtract the given angle from 90. Okay. Then here supplementary angles. You here given practice zone 6. Draw a pair of complementary angles. Place them together to form an angle of 90. Here two angles were taken, 30 and 60. You can take any two angles. You can take 40 and 50 and adjust in right angle triangle. The sum of both should be equal to 90. Okay. You will draw a pair of complementary angles. Okay. Then place them together to form an angle of 90. Of any choice you can take two angles and whose sum should be equal to 90. Find and write the complement of the following angles. So complement of 15 is equal to 90 minus 15. You will subtract 15 from 90 and get the complement of the given angles. Then comes supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, here draw two angles ABC, ABC. This is of measure how much? 90 degree. 90 degree. This is 90 degree and one more PQR, that is of 90 degree. Okay. Then when you will set together these two angles, it will form how much? A straight angle. Okay. Here you draw two angles ABC is equal to 90 degree and PQR is equal to 90 degree. Combine together so that ray AB, here ray AB and PQ, this ray AB and PQ when will be joined by reversing here that side, this angle that side and this angle that side. When combined together so that the ray AB and PQ overlap and angle RQC will be is equal to 180 degrees form. So when two angles whose sum measures 180 degree are called supplementary angles. We can say when the total of two angles is equal to 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, if you are asked to write the supplement of 70 degree, okay, find and write the supplement of 70 degree. Here you will write the property. We know that when the sum of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. You will write the property also, okay? Supplementary angles. So supplement of 70 degree will be is equal to, you will subtract 70 degree from 180 degree. Then what will you get? You will get 110 degree. So the supplement of 70 degree, so you can write the supplement of 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. Okay. For question number 1, here you will draw a pair of the supplementary angles and place them together to form an angle of 180 degree. You can make any two angles with the help of protractor. Okay. Or you can draw the two angles whose sum is 180 degree. You can take 100 degree angle and 80 degree angle, or you can take 120 degree angle or 120 degree and 60 degree angle, because the sum of both of the angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, when the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree, the angles will be called supplementary angles. Okay, so two angles whose sum measures 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Okay, you will complete here practice on 6 and 7. Okay, for finding the complementary angle, you will write also the property first. First write the property of the complementary angle here for question number 2. Ki when the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. So complement of here I can take this complement of 80 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 10 degree. So complement of 80 degree will be is equal to 10 degree. and 80 degree, 10 degree will make 90 degree. Means 80 degree and 10 degree will be the complementary angles. Okay. This question I have done 70. Question number 2, A part of practice zone 7. Okay. Okay. Stay alert, stay healthy, take care. God bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.